Okay, Year 8, let's have a look at this morning's lesson. Don't forget, Monday we've got our algebra test. So if you need to be doing revision on algebra, then from the class page you select the algebra tab. You've got the work outline. There's plenty of work to revise. Make sure you've got chapter review done. You can go over some of the videos on how to expand brackets, how to factorize, those sort of things. Algebra basics, you need to know those so you can have your revision for Monday's test. Now, also, we can have a look at the next topic, which you've got the work outline for, is measurement. If you're satisfied with your revision for algebra, you can go and have a look at the page for measurement. There are some excellent introductory videos there about what we're going to measure and how we're going to measure them. Again, done by Miss Shangari and myself. Different videos. You can certainly work your way through those. Also, what we're going to be doing this time round is we're going to be using the textbook for, for our introduction and see how we go during this topic. For each of the topics, and this is the measurement topic, there's a prior knowledge pretest and a diagnostic pretest. We're going to do both of those before we start the work outline. And the reason for it is this, that we want to see what we know, and you can take more control of what you do and what sort of work you do during this topic. You can be basically in charge of what you're going to do, not just the set work, but you might want to look at some more advanced work, or you may just want to do more practice on the things that you're not sure of. So let's have a look at these tests. A prior knowledge pretest is one that tests knowledge that you would have before you start a topic. So prior knowledge, that's exactly what it says. Things that you might know already. And there's a few questions there. These are things that you would know already without having done any specific work in this topic. And that's what that one means. Prior knowledge test. Now, a diagnostic pretest tests what you might already know in measurement. And this is the same for all the chapters in the text. So you may know a fair bit. You may have done some study outside of school or in enhanced maths, or have your own maths tutor and whatnot, and you might be quite good at it. So this would diagnose what you already know and would feed into you and let you understand where your strengths where your strengths are and where your weaknesses are. So as we move through this topic, you can decide a little more about what you're going to be doing. Okay, so this morning we're getting ready for the algebra test, which is on Monday. And if you want to, you can start to have a look at the measurement. If you're happy with your revision, look at measurement, some of these videos here, and then start on these pre-tests. Okay, so that's for this morning. Thanks, fellas.